What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to set up a wallet, receive USDT, and the best part, send USDT when you've got 0 TRX sitting in your balance. Flat fee 1 USDT. No buying gas, no verification, just a couple of taps. Let's get into it. First, we're setting up a wallet for USDT. For holding USDT, a non-custodial wallet is the way to go. I use Trust Wallet. It's on the App Store and Google Play. No account sign-up needed. You send phrase and your access stay on your device. Head over to the App Store or Google Play and grab Trust Wallet. I already got it installed, so I'm just gonna open the app. If you don't have a wallet yet, hit Add Wallet, then tap Create New Wallet. After that, go with creating a wallet using a secret phrase. You can skip the notification setup. Hit Receive and look up USDT on the TRON network, TRX20. That's it. You can now receive USDT in Trust Wallet. So what's the usual headache? To send USDT on the TRON network, you need the actual TRX in your wallet. That's what pays the network fee. No TRX, no transfer. It's just one go through it. You're usually looking at around $4 worth of TRX wallet fee. But if you need to move funds right on now and you don't like messing around buying TRX, there is an easier route. Sending USDT with no TRX in your balance. I'll drop the link to the site down below. If the site in the video stops working, I'll swap the link out for one that does. So what's the upside here? On the TRON network you can pay the fee either with the TRX or with energy. They runs on some pretty complex smart contracts that look up on TRX in your wallet for a long stretch. But energy can also be delegated from one wallet to another. And that's basically the each side runs on. You punch in the recipient's address and the amount, and the service handles the transaction for you through a smart contract. Pretty simple stuff. Let me walk you through it step by step. In the first field, you put the recipient's address. Then you enter the amount you are sending. The fee for this kind of send is 1 USDT. Next, you hit Send Transaction, wait for it to load, and pick up Trust Wallet. A connection window pops up. Hit Connect and give it about 10 seconds. A confirmation window should come on. There it is, the confirmation window. Hit Confirm and prove it with your password. Once it confirmed, the USDT goes out to the recipient and the service takes it 1 USDT fee. No buying TRX on the side, no waiting around for the gas to land. Didn't even take a minute and the USDT is already in the balance. I set up a second wallet just to demo it for the video. You can send to a buddy or to any service that takes payment in USDT. Just in case you do end up needing TRX, same site has a Buy TRX tab. You can quickly swap some of your USDT for TRX, no verification, small service fee. Think of it as your backup plan if you'd rather send USDT the classic way straight out of Trust Wallet. But for most quick transfers, send USDT without TRX gets the job done. Let me run through how that works, step by step. Tap the Buy TRX tab, and in the first field you put in how much USDT you are swapping for TRX. I'm swapping 10 USDT. I tap in the amount and I can see the result right away. For 10 USDT I'm getting 30 USDT. The fee is listed right there too. Then you hit the Buy TRX button and connect your wallet. In my case, Trust Wallet. Connection window pops up. Hit Connect. Give it about 10 seconds. A confirmation window should come up. There it is. Hit Confirm, approve it with your password, and wait for it to land. Didn't even take a minute and the TRX is already in the account. Exactly 10 USDT came out. Coins came in no problem. Now you're free to send USDT whenever. The net fee is covered. That's a wrap. If this video helped you out, drop a like and leave a comment. Good luck out there. Catch you later.